Hey, let me show you how you can count steps with your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So first of all, you have to actually open the app drawer and open the health application. If for some reason you don't have this application on your phone, you have to go to the Google Play Store, click on the search and input health phrase. Now from this, just find this Samsung Health application and download it. After this, you have to open it. And in my case, it's already like set up, but you will have to actually get some requests. So we have to accept all of these permissions for the location, for Bluetooth and other stuff. You have to just accept everything. You don't have to worry about anything. It's all fine. This is the legit Samsung application. Now we can turn on the synchronization, for example, to the Samsung cloud to get all of your data. I mean, if you move between the smartphones in the future, you will still have your old data on this specific account. And now all you have to do is just to click on this steps. And as you can see from this, we can actually find this steps counter. And as a default, it's actually set for the 6,000 steps. And now when you click here, we can actually change this target. For example, you can get, I don't know, maybe 10,000 steps and go back. And if you want to get this cool feature on your home screen, you have to just click and hold with your finger, select the widgets, and now you have to locate the Samsung Health from this and get this steps. Click and hold on it, tap add, and put it wherever you want. And now, just to show you that it really works, give me like 5 seconds. I'm gonna make few steps on my room just to show you that it really works. Okay, so I just make like, I don't know, 10 steps or stuff like this, or something like this. And as you can see now, it changed from the 15 to the 29. So that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.